Every second, a war is being fought inside you. Invisible enemies, bacteria, viruses, pathogens are constantly trying to invade. But your body has a sophisticated security system, a multi-layered network of defenders ready to fight back. This is your immune system. First, there are the fortress walls, your skin, acidic and tough. Then, the sticky traps of mucus and chemical weapons in your tears and stomach acid. This is the first line of defense. It's non-specific, treating every intruder the same. But if an invader breaches these walls, the second line sounds the alarm. Inflammation rushes blood to the scene, bringing an army of white blood cells. Cellular Pac-Man, called phagocytes, crawl through your tissues, literally eating any foreign bacteria they find. A fever can make the whole body an unwelcome environment. It's a brute force, non-specific attack. For the toughest enemies, the body calls in the special forces, the third, specific line of defense. This system doesn't just attack, it identifies. It reads the unique markers or antigens on an invader's surface. B cells then forge custom-made weapons called antibodies, molecular handcuffs that lock onto that one specific virus. Meanwhile, killer T cells hunt down and destroy your own infected cells, while helper T cells command an entire battle. Here's the most incredible part: memory. After winning, a few of these elite cells stick around as memory cells. They remember the enemy's face for a lifetime. If that same virus ever returns, they unleash a devastatingly fast response before you even feel sick. This is immunity. And a vaccine? It's the ultimate training drill. It shows your immune system a harmless piece of the pathogen, its ID card, so it can build that library of memory cells without you ever having to fight the actual disease. It's pre-training your internal army, turning a reactive defense into a prepared, intelligent force.